So today I'm putting on my favorite suit. I love blue suits. Now in my favorite suit means I have something special for you guys in this video. On top this tech table are two Tecno smartphones. The Tecno Pova, which I already made a review of. I will link it below so you can go and check it out. The next device here is the Tecno Spark Go 2020, the latest budget smartphone from Tecno. But hold up. Just check the number of subscribers below. We are hitting 10,000 subscribers in few days time. Now that's growth. I'm not that pumped. I'm maintaining my cool. But even at that, I think it makes a lot of sense to celebrate with you guys for your loyal support. Honestly, I would have found this difficult to come this far without you guys loving my work and trusting my review. So in a bid to show my appreciation, I'll be doing cash giveaway to 5 lucky winners. Now before the end of this video, I'll tell you how to participate, and who knows, you might just be one of the many lucky winners. The Tecno Spark Go 2020 is a cheap phone for you to buy in this festive period. It will cost you 45,000 naira, approximately 110 USD. It is the same price with the Infinix or 10 Lite that I made a review of some time ago. You can check it in the description below. But first thing first, let's unbox the Tecno Spark Go 2020. Opening the box, the smartphone sits right on top, right around with speakers that reveal some of the smartphone specs. And next is a yellow envelope. Inside the envelope are Tecno warranty cards and a protective back case to cover the smartphone. Right below that is a 10-watt fast charger and a micro USB cable plus a pair of earpiece. The Spark Go 2020 with me here is the aqua blue color. The back is plastic, and before you can insert your SIM card and memory inside the smartphone, you first remove the back cover, the entire back cover. Now these tiny spaces here are where to insert your nano SIM card, and on top here is for your memory card. Below right here is a speaker. This is a speaker, and then the cameras are 13 megapixel main camera plus 2 megapixel depth sensor. You have the flashlight in between the two camera lenses. Why this blue circle is the fingerprint sensor. On the front, you have 8 megapixel selfie cameras. You have one single flashlight placed right on top in the bezels. Then the 8 megapixel can still take great images. The display itself is 6.5 inches LCD with 720p screen resolution. The very fact that this smartphone is cheap means that you can buy it and still have some savings. The cameras are not bad. They can take good pictures. But make sure your hands are not shaking when taking pictures to avoid it getting blurred. Also take pictures in good light conditions. So if you know what you want and how to go about it, you can manage the 13 megapixel rear cameras to get good quality images. It is easy to hold this smartphone with one hand because it is not too big. It can also play games, but not heavy duty games. If you want heavy duty games, then you can go with Tecno Pova, which is strictly made for gaming. The phone is slow. Its animations and changing from one application to another are slow, which is understandable because of the 2 GB of RAM it has. But here is a trick to make it fast. Don't open many applications at the same time. Close one app before you open another app. The phone's battery can also last you for multiple days, so you don't have to worry about battery life. The Bluetooth can also multifunction, like you can connect multiple Bluetooth speakers. You can connect up to 3 speakers and up to 3 earphones, wireless earphones to the Bluetooth at the same time, but don't connect more than 3 at the same time. It also runs Android 10 out of the box, and your favorite dark mode is available. So overall, the Tecno Spark Go 2020 is a cheap smartphone for you to buy this last month or this festive period. You can buy it, you can give to your loved ones, or you can even buy it as your second smartphone. But just know the smartphone is already available nationwide. Just in case you want to buy it, you can see it in stores around you for the price of 45,000 naira. I use a smartphone. I wasn't doing too much with it, but it worked fine for me. And I guess if you are not an intensive user, or you buy it for those who are not too tech savvy, or those who are not tech savvy but don't to spend too much to purchase a smartphone for them, the Tecno Spargo 2020 is just the right choice to buy. Now, back to the giveaway. How do you participate in this giveaway? First, you have to do subscribe to Tecno24. If you haven't subscribed, just hit the subscribe button. But if you have subscribed already, then you're already first step to be among the winner of the giveaway. Now, after your subscription, I will link my social media account below: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. You can follow me on those. Then you see the post pinned to those social media accounts. Like my Twitter, I will post it, I will pin the giveaway to my profile. Then on Instagram, that will be the main picture, the latest post you see right there. Now, what you have to do is to comment why you think you are the right person to win this giveaway. Also tag 3 of your friends so that they can like your comment. The comment with the highest likes will be the winners of this cash giveaway. It is very simple. If you don't understand it, just drop your question below, then I'll clarify you on that. But just know that this is just a way of me showing my appreciation. This giveaway will last from now till January next year. I'll give you guys a lot of space so that you can participate. But January ending next year will be when I'll announce the winner of this giveaway. Thank you guys for supporting Tecno24. Thank you guys for believing in my ID to be your best tech reviewer on this tech as tech content creator. I'm grateful. Alright, it's my GA. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.